How to talk to your doctor about diabetes. If you're living with diabetes, it's important to have an open and honest relationship with your doctor. After all, they are the expert on your condition and can provide you with the best possible care. But sometimes it can be difficult to know what to say or ask during a doctor's visit. Here are some tips on how to talk to your doctor about diabetes. Make a list of questions or concerns before your appointment. Prior to any diabetes appointment, it is important to have a list of questions and concerns ready for your doctor. For instance, some diabetes management questions may include asking about the type of diabetes you have, asking about treatments ideally suited for you, and discussing the importance of monitoring and managing glucose levels. Furthermore, if your diabetes brings with it other health problems or complications, or if you are taking other medications for other conditions, it is important to discuss that with your doctor during your diabetes appointment. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask questions about lifestyle changes that may help improve diabetes. Knowing what to expect from an appointment beforehand can help minimize anxiety and make sure you get the best healthcare possible. Bring a friend or family member to the appointment for support. When it comes to diabetes appointments, having a friend or family member around can be a great boost. They can provide an extra level of support and encouragement when discussing diabetes-related healthcare topics. A companion can help you remember the instructions your doctor has given or jot down important points during the visit. If you're feeling nervous, they can serve as a comforting presence in the room, giving you the courage and motivation to ask questions and raise any issues that might arise. Don't be afraid to bring along someone who knows your diabetes history and is invested in helping you manage this condition. It just might make all the difference for a successful appointment. Be honest about your symptoms and how they're impacting your life. Developing diabetes can be a life-altering experience, but seeking proper medical attention and remaining honest with your doctor about your symptoms can help manage the condition. Too often, patients try to minimize their diabetes symptoms or do not accurately document how diabetes is impacting their life. This lack of honesty can lead to overlooking issues that could easily be addressed if discussed openly. If you're living with diabetes, make sure to remain honest about your symptoms and give an accurate accounting of how diabetes is changing your life. An open dialogue between patient and doctor will help ensure everyone feels more in control and confident they're getting the best care possible. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification if you don't understand something. Everyone knows diabetes can be a challenging condition to manage and understand. Whether you've recently been diagnosed or have been living with diabetes for some time, there are always new questions that may arise. It's important to remember that it's not always easy to understand medical information, so never be afraid to ask your healthcare provider or diabetes educators for clarification if something doesn't make sense. From checking your blood sugar to understanding how food affects your diabetes management, these professionals are here to help you get the most out of diabetes care. Don't let confusion stand in the way of feeling safe and secure in your diabetes control plan. Ask away, it could make all the difference. Ask about treatment options and what you can do to manage your diabetes. When you've been diagnosed with diabetes, it's important to understand your treatment options and what you can do to help manage the condition. Asking your doctor about long-term diabetes treatments can provide valuable insight into how to live a healthier life. It's also important to take an active role in diabetes management so that you can learn how to monitor your glucose levels and adjust daily meals, exercise, and stress levels accordingly. Additionally, don't forget to ask about diabetes self-care resources like nutrition plans, diabetes classes, and support groups which are specialized for those managing diabetes. Doing some research beforehand can give you an idea of what you should be discussing with your doctor and prepare you for any questions they may have. Follow up with your doctor after the appointment to check in on how you're doing. Following up with your doctor after diabetes-related appointments isn't just important, it's essential. Doing so ensures that you're staying abreast of any new treatments or management strategies they might have available to help keep your diabetes in check, and that everything is functioning as it should be. It can even help you avoid more serious health complications down the line. So the next time you've been to see your healthcare provider about diabetes-related matters, make sure you follow up. Following these tips should help you feel more prepared and comfortable going into your doctor's appointment so that you can get the best care possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our website for more great tips on how to stay healthy and stop diabetes.